Here you can see the repair of a pinion shaft with damaged teeth. First, the defective area is milled off precisely, the damage is removed, and the basis for reconstruction is created. Laser powder cladding is then used. New material is precisely welded on layer by layer. The welding tracks follow a meandering pattern and are built up in several layers. A circumferential support contour also ensures a clean transition and optimum welding results. A ductile core based on the base material is welded on. In addition, wear protection based on FeCrMo steel is applied. The new toothing is then machined to the exact final dimension, a perfect fit, resilient, and ready for use. The result, a fully functional pinion shaft, repaired instead of replaced. This saves time, material, energy, and money. If you also want to rely on repair and wear protection, ALOtec Dresden is your partner.